This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO and Redbus. Yari Dosti on Go MMT Radio.
शो का नाम है यारी दोस्ती एंड इंटरेस्टिंगली आई हैव टू पीपल ऑन द शो टुडे, Ritika Sharma and Ayush Raj. Ritika and Ayush, thank you so much for being on the show. A warm welcome.
Thank you so much, Annie. It's really excited for this.
Thank you so much, Annie. And hi, Ayush. I'm really excited for this.
Have you all met each other before? ये पहले बताओ.
So we haven't like properly met each other. We had a immersion program together, like very recently.
But we never talked, I guess. Right, Ayush?
Yes, right. But
Ritika, it's absolutely great to know that you love meeting people, talking to them and getting to know them. And this is going to be a great platform for you, the show called Yari Dosti. Let's start with you, Ayush. How long have you been with MMT now?
I think it's been a couple of months since I've joined MMT.
And where were you before this?
I am straight out of college. So I just completed my MBA and straight away landed at MMT.
Well done. Ritika, what about you? How long have you been at MMT?
It's a couple of months again. It's similar to Ayush, but I guess it's 4 months.
And are you also straight out of college?
No. So I have almost 4.5 years of experience. I used to work with Snapchat. I used to work with Dentsu and Paisabazaar earlier.
So while Ayush, you are a newbie, dekho Ritika, that is the reason why he was being quiet in the beginning, because come on, he's just starting off. And Ritika, you come with experience, so you know what it is like to be in a corporate environment. While Ayush comes straight off college, what are some of your expectations, Ayush?
So first, I expect lots of learnings every day, I think. So because since it's my first job, so I think the learnings is the most important thing. Secondly, meeting new people,
right?
Good people, and just having fun around work.
Ritika, क्योंकि आपके पास इतना experience है, एक hack आप आयुष को अभी बताओ जो आयुष को ध्यान में रखना है, which will kind of help him get along with the other colleagues really well.
I would say, Ayush, just be there, enjoy and be you. You just straight out from college and you have that vibe, the newbie vibe. लोगों के साथ बात करो, make connections with new people because that is gonna make you, highlight more. So I guess first office and first job makes a lot of difference. अगर you वहाँ पे you have friends too, that will make your life easier because again there is a lot of work which you are looking into.
Totally agree.
आयुष, कॉलेज से निकलते ही एक जॉब मिलना एक बहुत बड़ी बात होती है and I think it's good. I know it's a norm also but not always. So what was that feeling when you got this job?
I was on cloud 99 to be honest.
Nice.
Really excited.
पार्टी शार्टी बड़े जोरों शोरों से हुई होगी फिर.
बिल्कुल full night party हुई. And always wanted to get into a reputable organization.
And Ritika, you've been in the industry for 4 years. आप भी reputed organizations के साथ ही काम कर चुकी हैं. तो आपका experience पिछले 4-5 साल से कैसा रहा है?
So it was good. And the funny story is I actually worked with MMT, Go MMT earlier. When I was working for Snapchat, I was working with MMT as well because we were running their social campaigns on Snapchat.
So, oh, nice.
It was good actually for us. And when I got this offer, now I was like, okay, now I'm going to be on the client side of it. Let's see how it works.
Right. Hotel supply, Ayush, is very different in terms of work. And this is the first that you're doing. And so it will be probably easier for you. Because सबसे पहला है. So how is this job really coming together for you?
Coming really good, to be honest. It's not monotonous. That's the most fun part. Every day you're talking to 50 new people. Everyone has their own kind of problems and you have to solve accordingly.
Oh.
So it's as human beings, we tend to crave novelty. So it's fun.
रितिका, जब आप क्लाइंट साइड पर आते हो और जब आप पहले इसी क्लाइंट को सर्विस करते थे और अब आप मार्केटिंग में हो, अब आपको ज़्यादा समझ में आ रहा है, क्या आपको लगता है कि आप नए नए आइडियाज़ लेकर रोज़ जाते हैं अपने बॉस के पास क्योंकि आप इतने एक्साइटेड हो इसके बारे में?
Yeah, not so. Again, there are two kind of marketings we talk about. There is the marketing, brand marketing, and performance marketing, and there is another marketing which is ad tech marketing. So right now I'm in ad tech marketing. And again, it's a different from the marketing folks. Yes, we work a lot because we are working with the product team, we are working with the tech team. So it comes with a lot of experience, and new ideas are there because how the ad server is going to work. So keeps you motivating, like how we are gonna work on the product side of it, plus the marketing, not the marketing.
That is very interesting. And you've always got to be on your feet. So it's exciting. So आपको ये busy रहना पसंद है, Ritika?
Actually, because I guess this is the time where we need to hustle a lot. Maybe we're gonna achieve anything, right? So
good.
This is good in the personal life too.
Very good. आयुष कॉलेज में अपने दोस्तों के साथ बहुत ट्रैवल करते थे?
Did many trips. Like it's every boys group's dream.
तो कहाँ घूमे हो आप अभी तक?
So we went to many places. I think there's a beautiful hill station. Like my college was in Chennai, so there's like many hill stations nearby.
Yeah.
Kodaikanal, really beautiful. Apart from that, I went to another hill station. There's Yercaud.
Yeah.
So
and many more that you could now visit since you're in Bangalore.
Right. Planning on it.
Have you already made your boy gang over here at MMT?
Sort of.
You're getting along well is what I must say. Ritika, आप तो नौकरियां कर चुकी हो अलग-अलग. आप travel भी मेरा ख्याल है फिर कर चुकी हो either on the job and even otherwise. तो कुछ
So ये नौकरियां कर चुकी हो is a compliment for me और मेरी टांग खींची जा रही है?
नहीं, बिल्कुल टांग नहीं खींची जा रही है. You come with experience. You've worked with some of the best companies. I think that's a great compliment.
Yeah. I'm taking as a compliment only, I mean.
तो बताइए two of the places that you really loved in all the trips that you've made so far.
So I'll tell you one is Bali. I was there with my family, but family I'll talk about. It was a girls trip, me, my mother and my sister. So both are my best friends.
Nice.
And another one is actually Bangalore. We went on a road trip, Bangalore to Chikmagalur. Like we were 5 to 6 friends over there, and we did a lot of Pagalpanti over there because again, some were from Bangalore, some were from Delhi. And then when two states are meeting together, let's hold together a different experience. So that's also a different place, which is there in my heart for that trip.
Well, are you guys ready for this rapid fire round?
Totally. Can't wait.
All right.
The rapid fire round.
Let's start with Ritika. Ritika, who is your superhero? I'm talking about a real superhero, not the filmy superhero.
So I'll talk about the real superhero, Annie. It's my mother.
Oh, that's so sweet. What is so special about your mom that you're always inspired by her?
She is a woman who can deal with anything. I just see her, how strong she is, how she dealt with every situation in her life, and how she is dealing with things. I cannot even explain or describe how I feel that she is my superhero, but I don't even share that with her too. But she is.
She'll be happy to know if you share this with her that you did take her name. Okay, Ayush, who's your superhero?
My parents.
Yeah.
They are like my support system, and they have supported me in everything, whatever I do. They've been so selfless. Parents are selfless, always thinking about their children. So my parents are my superhero.
Can't agree more. Parents are selfless.
That is sweet. Okay, let's talk about music now. Ayush, what's your favorite type of music?
Well, it depends on the mood.
Yeah.
But mostly, I like to listen Punjabi songs.
Nice. What about you, Ritika?
I love Bollywood and Punjabi songs.
That's very sweet. अब मूवीज के बारे में अगर बात करनी हो तो फिर जॉनरा कौन सी मूवी की मतलब कौन सी मूवीज ज्यादा देखना पसंद करते हो? Whether it is comedy, horror, action, thriller, mystery. Ritika, what about you?
So again, it depends on mood. I love horror, romantic and comedy. Like these three kind of a movie.
Horror में कौन सा देखा था आपने recently?
Yeah, recently कोई अच्छी आई नहीं है. They are not even horror enough. I feel like okay, it's just kids' place right now.
Okay, what about you, Ayush?
I think my favorite would be suspense thriller. The movies that kind of keeps you on the edge of your seats. So I think the most classical one would be Drishyam.
Okay, not bad at all. When it comes to your style, Ritika, how would you describe your style in one line?
Elegant.
Not bad. Ayush, what about you?
Comfortable.
Comfort is something that you would prefer over vanity. That's not bad at all.
Right.
Were you afraid of anything as a child, Ritika? एक irrational fear होता है ना, कभी कुछ चीज होती है पता नहीं क्यों बस डर लगता है, ऐसा कोई irrational fear था या है?
मेरे को था, अंधेरे से डर लगता था. एंड कैन यू इमेजिन अ पर्सन हु इज एक्चुअली उसको अंधेरे से डर लगता है, उसको हॉरर मूवीज पसंद है.
Ironic, but it's always possible. What about you, Ayush?
Similar to that, I think I was really afraid of my security guard. So there was this security guard in my society, and at night he used to come and inspect, and I used to get scared.
Oh, moving on. अभी आपको मुझे लगता है उस security guard से कोई लेना देना नहीं है because you've moved places, है ना?
Yes.
Is the security guard where you live now okay? He doesn't.
Very okay. There wasn't a problem with that also. That was kind of an irrational fear. Like children are used to, be scared of police and all.
Right. माँ बाप तो ये यूज करते ही, देखो कोई आएगा डंडा लेके, तुम बात सुन लो या खाना खा लो.
Right.
Yeah.
What's your favorite drink? Tea or coffee, Ritika?
So again, it depends on my mood. If I'm going out, I'll go with coffee because चाय कोई अच्छी बनाता नहीं है. But if I'm making it for myself, then it's going to be chai.
क्या बात है? What about you, Ayush?
I'm a total coffee person. So.
Okay. Have you guys tried adventure activities? यानी कि bungee jumping, scuba diving या paragliding, skydiving?
Not really, but I did some water sports in Bali and those were amazing, like the water walking and other things. Those were amazing, but I want to do bungee jumping.
What about you, Ayush?
Bungee jumping I've tried, but the rest, there are many on my bucket list right now. Skydiving is on everyone's bucket list. Scuba is on everyone's bucket list. So now I think with MMT, I think I'll do it soon.
You can make it happen for yourself.
Right.
Good. Okay, the last question. 2 places on your bucket list that you want to check off in the coming years, maybe in the next 2 or 3 years. Ritika?
Yeah, one is Paris, another one is Netherlands.
Oh, Paris and Netherlands. What about you, Ayush?
For me, it's Amalfi Coast in Italy. And the second one would be Auckland in New Zealand.
Not bad. What is so special about, Amalfi, I understand it's a beautiful coast. But what's special about Auckland?
Auckland, I've seen, I think New Zealand is a very beautiful place. So I want to visit New Zealand once.
All these adventure fantasy films are all shot in New Zealand. So we know how beautiful it is.
Right.
All right. It has been good knowing you guys. And I hope Ayush and Ritika, you two have also kind of got to know a little more about each other through this conversation. Thank you so much for your time and all the very best.
Thank you so much for having us. It was a pleasure. Loved it.
Thank you so much, Annie. It was actually a nice session.
Your friendship and have a great time working at MMT. All the best.
Thank you so much, Annie.
Ayush Raj and Ritika Sharma on the show with me today. यारी दोस्ती को एक नया मीनिंग, एक नया अर्थ आज मिला है. बड़ा मजा आया. Thank you so much again. This is GoMMT Radio and I'm your host Annie taking your leave, but we'll be back very soon on Friday with Filmy Friday. Bye bye.
जब तक तेरी नींद न टूटे उगता नहीं है सूरज मेरा, ख्वाब रहे किस काम के मेरे, ख्वाब से ज्यादा तू सच मेरा. सुन हाड़िए जिंद जाड़िए, जख्मों को मेरे मरहम की जगह बस तेरा छुआ चाहिए. तू है तो मुझे फिर और क्या चाहिए, तू है तो मुझे फिर और क्या चाहिए. किसी की ना मदद ना दुआ चाहिए, तू है तो मुझे फिर और क्या चाहिए.
Hello, Go Trippers! This is Ranveer Singh and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go!
To listen to your favorite Go MMT Radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT Radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.